So this is the Dollar Tree thing drawing that I made. Okay. And you do want to make sure you put down the tape. So I'm going to be making my Dollar Tree awesome stand. And you can find it on my channel, Tiffany Shadley, Haul Kinda Girl on YouTube. I'm going to be doing this. Peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat, peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat. Almost done. Gonna go finish this. Hi and welcome back to Tiffany Shadley, Haul Kinda Girl. I am so excited, you guys. I have this Dollar Tree DIY organizer I made. I am so excited. I put the flowers on the top. I am so excited about showing you guys this. OMG. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys everything that I have done throughout this video. But number one, now you have to get the crates from Dollar Tree or Walmart, wherever you choose. Now I did choose to do this 9-tier. So you are going to need zip ties. You are going to need spray paint because I did do this rose gold. And you are going to need some kind of deco tape, or excuse me, not deco tape. You are going to need contact paper, excuse me. So you will need the contact paper. Now I did find some at Dollar Tree that was the white marble, but I didn't like that one. So I went over to Home Depot and Lowe's. I could not find the black contact paper like this one. So what I did is I went to Walmart and I was like, okay, let's see what they got. And Walmart had the black marble. So as you can see, these right here are foam boards. Now I did not glue them down because I was thinking maybe I want to change this up with different foam boards. So in the back is foam boards as well, and I was going to put it on both sides, on all 4 sides, but I decided not to, and I might still fix it. I also, every single one of these little things has something cute inside, so you guys can put anything you want. You can see the zip ties, which I shouldn't have done it that way, but I did, so I didn't want to go over and redo it. But I just put the foam boards with the contact paper after I assembled the crates. So I did the crates first. I'm sorry. So let me just start telling you guys what I did first. Okay, so I put the crates together using the zip ties. I'm going to show you guys everything in a second, what I used. I also got spray paint from Home Depot. It was $6.49. And as you can see, it is a rose gold. And I thought it was so beautiful. So yeah, I put them all together with the zip ties, and then I got foam board, and I measured out the width and the length. So, and then I put the contact paper onto the little foam boards and put them inside. So it is very time consuming. Everybody makes it seem like it takes like 1 second, but it doesn't. That thermometer is not included. That's just a thermometer on my wall, just to let you guys know. And I also put the contact paper on the top with the foam board. So I also try to just spice things up with, you know, more of the Granite contact paper. So I put these diamond wrap around it that I got from Dollar Tree. I also got the pen that you guys see right here is from Dollar Tree. It's like a little diamond pen. It has a diamond on it. I got this little plastic bin from Dollar Tree. So I just put the contact paper all around it. It has a cute little bin to have for storage. I also made this as a DIY, this little coach thing with the little ladybugs. I made that at Dollar Tree. This is just the white little artist little sketchboard, and I got those stickers from Dollar Tree, and I just put the little coach little thing on there with Mod Podge. And I got this awesome, I want to show you guys too, I got this awesome little flower vase from Dollar Tree as well, and it is so cute. I want to put like little glass little diamonds or something in there. I'm not too sure yet. So yeah, and then I also decorated this little cool thing I'm going to show you guys right now. This is like, you can use for, like, I don't know, anything you want. I got it from Dollar Tree. But I did put the fake marble, granite marble stuff all around it. And I'm going to show you guys what's inside. So I have glitter inside here. It's really hard to open now. But I have glitter inside this. But you can use, like, I don't know, what is it called? I can't even think when I'm making the video. You can get, you know, like cotton rounds or things, you know, to clean your ears. I can't even think of what it's called because I'm like put on the spot. But yeah, you can put anything you want in here, but I did put glitter. So I put all my glitters together in this little bottle. So I just thought it was cute to decorate with. You can put anything with the, you know, decor tape or the deco tape. You can use the contact paper to decorate stuff. So just keep that in mind when you guys are making your shelf. So I just really enjoyed making this. It took me well over a week because I put a lot of like thought into it, and I just think it's so beautiful, even from just like far away. I'm going to try to show you guys. Just so pretty with the flowers, and it's just so beautiful. So I'm going to get into what else I did. Oh, those little crystals are from Dollar Tree. They were $1. They're actually magnets, so I just put that in there. I got that from Dollar Tree as well. I got this little glass thing you can put your rings on or whatever. You can put anything you want in these shelves, guys. So yeah, and oh, you know, I got this Dollar Tree candle, and it's actually granite. So it was really cool too. And the mermaids tails are actually from Dollar Tree. These angels, that light, it turns on and off. And that is also from Dollar Tree. The All That I Owe to My Mother. And the Good Night little cute little dish for trinkets or rings, I got from Dollar Tree. So basically every single thing, even this little coffee thing that I got, it's actually a sharpener. It was $1 at Dollar Tree. So basically everything I got here is from Dollar Tree. Now my Marilyn Monroe cup is not from Dollar Tree. That is from Spencer's. But I just thought it was really pretty and looks really pretty in there. And then I put Victoria's Secret mask, the charcoal one, but that's not from Dollar Tree. So basically everything here is from Dollar Tree. And I'm still going to go in and probably change a few things up. I will make another video if I do that. But I'm going to show you guys all the things right now. Okay, so what you're going to need for this project, it took me almost 3 of these foam boards. I'm going to show you guys right now. I still have some pieces left. This is just the typical foam board from Dollar Tree, as you can see. I also got, now these are from Walmart. These are not from Dollar Tree, but they do have them at Dollar Tree. This is the Easy Liner, brand shelf liner. So this is the white granite. I'm actually making another table, so be looking out for that. It's going to be white granite. And then this is just the rest of the black one. It's so beautiful. Like, I can't even believe how beautiful this is. You could put this on anything. You're going to need a ruler. Now, I just have a regular basic paper ruler. Just get any ruler that you can, like, you know, use. Whatever's easier. Now, I'd say that the hard ruler is probably a lot easier than using the paper one, but whatever. Also, you're going to need, yeah, here's some other one. I was going to make another shelf. So I'm making different shelves. It's actually ripped. Oh, I'm upset about that. But this one right here in particular with the beautiful roses is from Dollar Tree. So this one's from Dollar Tree, this one's from Walmart, and this one's from Walmart. Now at Home Depot, I didn't see it. So I was like, I'm glad I got it. And you're going to need the Sterilite containers, which are these. Now what's cool about these from Dollar Tree is they stack. So you could order them online. Everybody's saying, oh, I can't find them, blah, blah, blah. And there's the measurements right there, but they're going to be a little bit different when you're making your foam board. But you can order these online at DollarTree.com. I'm pretty sure they have them, but I think you have to like order 30 of them. I don't know. You have to order a lot. But It depends on how big you want your, you know, DIY. So anyways, so you get a bunch of these. Now I did 9. See how these little holes are right here? Right here? You stack them on there, but you're going to want to glue it or zip tie it. So what I did was, here's what the zip ties looks like the actual name is called Tool Bench. This is a Dollar Tree company. Now there's 100 pieces in here. I didn't use these ones, the red and the black one, but I did use the clear ones right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that, because mine are showing, I shouldn't have done it like that, but I didn't want to fix it. You're going to make sure that they're not showing, so go from underneath. So when you're like doing your shelf like this, you're going to want to put them underneath, like right here. See what I mean? So actually, I'm going to show you guys just what I mean, just so, I'm going to show you in 1 second. But yeah, we have the utility knife. You're going to absolutely need this. I tried to cut the foam board with scissors. It did not work. This is also from Dollar Tree. I wish the sticker was still on there, darn it. But it's just a, like a whole sheet that's self-adhesive from Dollar Tree. You can cut it. So that's how I did that other thing at the top, which I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so that's how I made at the top, I just cut it and then it just stuck. Just wanted to show you. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys really quick, because other people are going to be like, what is she doing? Okay, so say this is like connected to the other one because I don't have any more. But you're going to want to go like underneath. So you're going to want to put this thing in there twice like that. Okay, it's really hard with one hand. Sorry, guys. But you're going to want to do that. And then, see how it comes through? So this would be the bottom, okay? So then you're going to connect this bottom piece to the next Sterilite container. And that's how you do it. Now, I did spray paint mine. It took 24 hours, even with the like fast drying spray paint. It took 24 hours. Actually, it took a little bit longer. It took almost 2 days to fully dry. I don't know if it's because of the heat, because it's so hot here. I have no idea. But yeah, you're going to need all these things. So you're going to need a utility knife. This is $1 at Dollar Tree, unless you already have one. You're going to need some kind of form of nylon cable ties if you don't want to just use super glue, because I don't just trust the super glue or the E6000. Then you're going to want like any kind of bling. I don't know. If you don't want the bling, you don't have to have the bling. It's however you choose to do it. A pair of scissors to cut out the easy liner. You're going to need some of this easy liner, decor, you know, granite, whatever kind you guys want to make it special. You're going to need some kind of pencil or pen to make the markings of what the measurements are. You're going to need a ruler. And yeah, I think that's it. And you're going to need these Sterilite containers. Now, you can get them at Walmart or Dollar Tree, Kmart, whatever. Yeah, you're going to need those items to do this. So I really hope you guys enjoy my video. I really hope that you like how I did my Dollar Tree shelf. I just think it's so beautiful. It just looks so like elegant. It doesn't look cheap to me. I mean, okay, so yeah, I probably could add the granite that's there on the sides, and I'm thinking about doing that. So I'm probably gonna do that. I didn't want to do it at first, but now looking at it, I'm like, now I want to do it. So I'm probably going to be fixing it, and when I do fix it, I will make another video. But everything basically is from Dollar Tree. The only things you guys are going to need is a spray paint. If you want to paint them, if you want to keep them clear, hey, you can do that too. You can do whatever you want, because that's what's so fun about making DIYs. I want to say thank you guys so much to all my subscribers or whoever's going to watch this. If you are new here, please hit that like and subscribe button. And just know, I always say this, but I am not perfect. And every single day, I'm trying to become a better person. And with that said, you cannot take care of anybody until you take care of yourself. And once you take care of yourself the proper way, you can take care of others the proper way. Remember that. You have to come first so you can help other people. If you're down and out and you're not doing so good, how are you going to be there for anybody else in this world? Okay, and please leave me a comment below. How are you going to make your DIY? Are you guys going to spray paint it? Just leave me a comment below. Say, you know what, I'm not going to spray paint it, or I'm going to do this different. Or just give me some ideas. on what you guys, you know, think I should have done different, or if you think that this is really nice the way I did it, please, please, please give me a like. That is another thing. Even if you guys don't want to subscribe to me, please give me a like, because it helps my video circulate through the internet. With no likes, it's so hard to get your video out there. And there's lots of YouTubers, and I just want other people to see how cool you can, you know, make a budget-friendly, awesome little organizer. You can put makeup in there, whatever you want. You know, little dolls. I did little glass dolls, whatever. You could do whatever you want on a budget from Dollar Tree. I love you guys so much. I made this video really long. I'm so sorry. But please don't forget to give me a like, guys. Even if you don't even like the video, give me a dislike. Even hitting my dislike button will help my video circulate a different way. I love you guys. Take care. Thank you so much for everything. I really do appreciate all the positivity that I get. If you guys want to come over to Facebook or Instagram, just come over to Tiffany Shadley and come follow me there. I love you guys, and I really hope you guys like my Dollar Tree DIY.